Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how I use these magic rollers that I got off of Amazon on my blown out hair. If you're unfamiliar with these rollers, they're just silicone rollers that you roll your hair around and then you pull the top down just like that. Very easy. Okay, this is an old blowout that I did wand curls on, and then I did a twist out, and now it's just big and frizzy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna separate my hair in half, and I'm gonna start in the back and put my hair into 3 sections. Now starting with this first section, I'm going to just put the rest of my hair up and then separate that section into 2. Now for my styler, I'm just going to use this mousse from Texture ID, and I'll link it in the description down below. Now once your hair is fully detangled, you just want to grab the roller and place it to where the flat side is towards your face, and then just roll the hair around. You want to make sure that you're holding the hair tight and you're smoothing it as you go. And once you get the end smooth, just roll it up and pull the top down, and that's it. Now I'm going to do the same thing with the rest of the sections of hair, and I use between 2 and 3 rollers per section. Okay, I'm all done. I used about 15 rollers in total. Okay, it is the next day. I let my hair dry for a full 24 hours, and I just slept with it overnight, and they weren't too hard to sleep in actually. So now I'm just taking them out. Okay, after separating and fluffing, these are the final results. Now, when I took my rollers down, I realized my roots were still wet from the foaming mousse. So next time, I probably won't use as much mousse on my roots, but if you know me, you know I don't mind a little texture on my roots because it gives me volume, so it's all good. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!